Hello everyone, welcome back to KBK Kitchen. Today we'll learn simple breakfast recipe egg paddu. So let's begin. Firstly, heat a pan and add in 2 teaspoons of oil in it. Once the oil is heated up, add in half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once this starts crackle, add in 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 3 green chilies finely chopped and fry them for about a minute till the onions turns translucent. Next, add in half a cup of grated carrot and half a cup of finely chopped capsicum and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt or as required, and 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. And we don't need to cook the tomatoes, just give everything a very good mix and transfer it into another container and let it cool down. Once it is cooled completely, add in 4 eggs and mix well. Our egg batter is ready. Let's start making paddu. Heat the paddu maker and add in the oil drop by drop to all the molds. Once the oil is heated, pour the egg batter slowly to all the molds as shown and let it cook for about 2 minutes on medium to low flame. After 2 minutes, flip on the other side and cook for about 30 seconds. These are perfectly done. Take them out into a separate plate. So dear friends, our simple yet delicious egg paddu is done and ready. Enjoy it with mint chutney or ketchup. If you like this video, hit the like button below and for more such videos, subscribe to KBK Kitchen. Thank you.